Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So I already primed my eyes and did my eyebrows. Now I'm just jumping into the eyeshadow portion. I'm gonna take this orangey color and I'm just gonna throw that all up in my crease and blend it up towards my brow and really blend out that color. Now I'm gonna take like a rusty sort of orange color, sort of like a sienna, and start to build that up in my crease, going pretty high with it. Next, I'm going to take a black pencil and I'm just going to spread that out all over my lid and blend it out with my finger and then with a blending brush, making sure I don't leave any harsh edges. Alright, now I'm going to take a very deep reddish brown and I'm just going to build that up in my crease. And I'm going to go ahead and switch up my brush and pack that on top of my lid as well. And make sure I blow it out. When I say that, I mean keep on throwing it into my crease and building it up and bringing it a little higher. I want the eye to be really smoked out. Now I'm just going to take a cream color and I'm just going to throw that on my brow bone and then blend it out again. Then taking a black eyeliner pencil, I'm going to line my waterline and tight line as well. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take that same black pencil from before, go ahead and line underneath and then blend it out. Then I'm going to take some of that burnt orange color and I'm going to put that right beneath the black and really blend it out. And then on top of the black, I'm going to go ahead and put that rusty brown color that I used on my lid, like that dark burgundy brown color. And then I'm going to blend all of that together. Now I have both of my eyes done and I'm looking like a raccoon, but I did go ahead and put on my lashes. I did go ahead and clean up under my eyes with a wipe, and now I'm just applying my primer and then I'm going to blend that into my skin, getting ready for my foundation. Next, I'm just going to apply my foundation all over my face, making sure to really blend it in with my beauty blender. I should say my Real Technique sponge. Now I'm just going to highlight the areas I usually do, which is underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the middle of my forehead, and my chin. And then I'm going to blend that all out and set it with translucent powder. Next, I'm just going to start contouring my face, starting with my forehead, moving down to my cheekbones, and I'm going to do my nose and underneath my chin as well. My glue is fully dry, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. And then I'm going to start lining my lips using a burgundy colored lip pencil. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my lips with a burgundy tone lipstick as well. It's a liquid lipstick and my tongue is blue because I was eating a Jolly Rancher. Alright, so start mapping out the skull. I'm going to use this brown eyeliner pencil. I could have definitely used white, but honestly I was just too lazy to look for it, so I saw brown and I went with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and perfect the shape that I want. I did do it a little uneven on this side, that's why I'm going over it again to try to make it even with the other side. So yeah, definitely use white if you're not too lazy to look for it, because yeah, I'm gonna have to go over this and that brown line is gonna show a little bit, but oops, it's okay. So I'm using white water activated body paint. I'm just gonna go all along that outline, but definitely skipping over that line that I messed up. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start filling it in. I did want this sculpty based off of a henna inspired tattoo, so I'm just using pictures for reference. I did little things here and there that I saw on images, but most of the time it just freehanded whatever I thought would look good in my mind. So you could definitely do whatever you want. I started off with this flower in the middle of my forehead and just basically worked off of that, creating little shapes here and there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on going. I did speed this up a little bit because it was time consuming. This entire process did take about an hour, and that's with the prior makeup application. So yeah, if you're not gonna go ahead and do your makeup first and you just want to do just the skull part, it's probably gonna be a little faster. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I did it. Okay guys, so honesty right here, I don't really like this little part that I'm doing right now. I could have definitely drew something else like flowers or leaves or something, but I already put it on there, so I had to go with it and just work with what I did. Yeah, so you guys could definitely do whatever you want if you don't like that portion. Just use your imagination. Alright, so I went ahead and put my wig on and my little flower crown. Now I'm just highlighting under, sorry, not highlighting, contouring under the skull right here just to give it a little 3D dimension right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some highlighter in my inner corners and brow bone, and the look will be complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm happy that I finally brought this look to life. I had this in my head for a while now, so I was happy to see it come together. If you did like it, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye.